Welcome back to the channel, tech lovers. In today's video, we're diving into some truly mind-blowing gadgets that defy the laws of gravity. From floating lights to rotating globes, these gravity-defying devices are not just cool to look at, they're also incredibly functional. Whether you're looking to add some futuristic flair to your desk or impress your friends with cutting-edge technology, these gadgets will leave you in awe. So sit back, relax, and let's explore the top 6 gravity-defying gadgets you need to see to believe. The Spirale fragrant levitating home decor is the perfect fusion of design and technology, elevating your space with its gravity-defying elegance. Available in 3 stunning editions, bamboo, copper, and silver, this unique diffuser adds a futuristic touch to your home. It offers 3 captivating fragrance options: sweet orange for a burst of citrus energy, Himalayan cedar for a calming forest atmosphere, and peppermint for a lively, refreshing vibe. Easy to set up with perfumed paraffin oil and a matchbox, Spirale ensures an effortless experience. Crafted with precision in the French countryside, this high-quality diffuser also offers enhanced ambiance with options like the live flame and scent oil lamp pack or the high-end LED candle pack, complete with remote control. Spirale is more than just a diffuser. It's a statement piece that brings together cutting-edge technology and exceptional craftsmanship for a truly unique atmosphere. The Levitating Bulb lamp is a unique desk and nightlight that uses magnetic levitation technology, allowing the bulb to float and rotate freely in the air without any support or contact. It features a 360-degree rotation for a mesmerizing visual effect, creating a soft and eye-catching glow. Powered by electromagnetic induction, the lamp doesn't require batteries or cables. The touch button on the wooden base controls the on-off function, and the energy-efficient LED bulb provides 60 lumens of soft light that's easy on the eyes. The lamp has a long lifespan of up to 50,000 hours. It's perfect as a desk lamp, table lamp, or nightlight, and makes a fantastic gift for birthdays, holidays, or special occasions. The Gravity-Defying Kinetic Desk Toy is a unique and stylish fidget spinner that combines form and function. Featuring a hanging ball attached to a metal spiral frame, this toy creates the illusion of defying gravity and floating, adding a captivating touch to any desk. Made from high-quality metal with fine craftsmanship, it offers smooth and seamless spinning. To use, simply place it on a flat surface and gently spin it. It will rotate for up to 300 seconds, mesmerizing you with its uninterrupted spiral motion. Perfect for relieving stress, improving focus, and helping with ADHD, this toy is not only a great desk accessory but also a cool, thoughtful gift for friends and family. It's ideal for office environments, parties, and special occasions like birthdays or holidays, serving as both a fun toy and a creative desk ornament. The Gravity Globe is a mesmerizing, magnetic levitating globe that adds a high-tech, eye-catching touch to any space. Featuring a sturdy C-frame base with brushed stainless steel accents, this globe spins effortlessly using magnetic levitation. With color-changing LED lights, it creates a serene, ambient effect, cycling through multiple colors for a dynamic visual experience. The globe is easy to set up. Simply place it on the base, use the included tool, and watch it float and spin. Perfect for desks, bookshelves, or offices, it makes a unique decoration or gift. The Gravity Globe is ideal for home decor, nightlights, or as a thoughtful gift for any occasion. Ever wondered how objects fall on the moon or Mars? Meet the Moondrop Gravity-Defying Fidget Desk Toy, a mesmerizing gadget that mimics the free fall on different celestial bodies. Designed with aerospace-grade materials, this sleek desk toy features a vertically falling slider that moves at a speed matching gravity on Mars or the moon. By removing the magnets, you can even switch it to Earth's gravity for comparison. Perfect for fidgeting, sliding, flipping, and spinning, Moondrop isn't just a cool gadget, it's also an educational tool that makes learning about physics and space more fun. Plus, its compact size lets you take it anywhere, making it a must-have for science enthusiasts, fidgeters, and anyone who loves gravity-defying toys. The KULBUTOO 3-in-1 Gravity-Defying game is a versatile toy that opens up endless possibilities for fun and creativity. With 3 distinct uses, tumbler, soft domino, and stress-relieving fidget toy, it offers boundless entertainment. As a tumbler, KULBUTOO defies gravity with its unique tumbling action, allowing for limitless imaginative games. When used as a soft domino, It offers two variations. One light and soft without the stainless steel ball, and one heavier and more rigid with the ball, providing endless domino course options. Plus, its soft silicone material and rigid stainless steel ball make it an ideal stress reliever. Whether you're gaming, fidgeting, or relieving stress, KULBUTOO is the perfect tool for endless play and creativity. Thanks for watching, everyone. I hope you enjoyed exploring these amazing gravity-defying gadgets. If you found something that blew your mind, don't forget to hit that like button and share this video with your friends. Also, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notification bell so you never miss out on the latest tech reviews and cool gadgets. Let me know in the comments which gadget was your favorite. Until next time, keep exploring and stay tech savvy.